In the previous module, Features and Benefits of EcoStruxure Row Data Center, you were introduced to Mary, an account manager with a Schneider Electric partner. She had recommended EcoStruxure Row Data Center Solutions to Paul, owner of a small transport company. She used the Row Data Center Designer tool to configure the solution recommended to Paul. Since this tool is important for all IT partners, her fellow associates want to know more about the tool. Mary starts by informing her associates that Schneider Electric offers different tools for their partners to help them configure the products and solutions. These tools are engineered to provide guidance to the customers and direct them to the exact solution to meet their needs. Moreover, these tools are integrated in a central hub called the Design Portal. What's more, all configurations selected in the tools are tracked and approved, and reports can be pulled through the Design Portal from the Solution Overview page. Mary further explains that there are 6 online configuration tools in the Design Portal. 3 of these tools are for configuring specific categories of products, and the other 3 are for designing combinations of products into solutions. The product configurators are 3-phase configurator, cooling configurator, and management and software configurator, whereas the solution designers are local edge configurator, row data center designer, and modular data center designer. Next, she provides information about the Row Data Center Designer tool. This designer tool helps configure row-based data center solutions. This is a new tool, which is currently ramping up. It will gradually replace the ISX Designer tool, which is used for many years to configure Schneider Electric solutions. The Row Data Center Designer tool offers a variety of UPSs and power distribution options, in-row cooling portfolio, racks, rack PDUs, and other accessories along with various software and services. All these offers can be dragged and dropped on the data center floor to create the solution specific to the customer's environment. The Row Data Center Designer tool includes the compatibility rules and engineering validation among all these offers to ensure the solution being created works as intended. A complete bill of material along with a variety of reports are available as outputs to help put together a quote and proposal for a customer. Next, Mary explains how to use the tool. First, the user needs to log into the Design Portal page to access the Row Data Center Designer tool. For partners, this is done through logging into the My Schneider Partner Portal and then accessing the Design Portal link. From the Design Portal homepage, the user needs to select the New Solution option from the Design menu. This would take the user to the Create New Solution page. On this page, from the EcoStruxure Data Center Solutions section, look for the Row Data Center Designer tool, and then click the Configure button. Mary further describes that the interface of the Row Data Center Designer tool has 2 menus, top and left. The top menu provides a series of tabs with the configuration options including rack, cooling, power zone, guided row, DCIM, and services. The top menu also displays the running total price of items included in the configuration. The top menu also mentions the country for which the solution is being created. The left menu bar comprises the designer, reports, help, feedback, and clear design options. The designer option directs the user to the designer page on which the users can drag and drop a 2D version of the solution post filling in all the configuration parameters. The reports option allows users to pull a variety of reports with additional details on the solution. Other options include help providing tutorial videos, feedback for reporting a technical bug, and clear design for resetting the selected items. Based on the selected region, the users will see different configuration flows. The Row Data Center Designer tool offers 2 different approaches, guided row and open configurations. With guided row, users are provided a series of questions to create a row-based design. These inputs will direct users to the system review page where they can select configurations for rack, cooling, and system cabinet. With the open configuration approach, users can select any of the available components in any order. Next, Mary explains that the guided row approach offers 3 configuration options: rack, cooling, and system cabinet. Based on the requirements selected by the users, the tool offers the optimal rack numbers, power capacity, PDU, and different rack accessories. However, users can still make changes to these selected configuration parameters. After this, users can select the required software and digital services from the DCIM tab. From the Services tab, users can select the solutions related to installation, project services, or on-site services required by the customers. Mary explains that after configuring the components and selecting the services, users need to click the Designer option on the left menu to view the 2D representation of the equipment in the Unplaced Equipment area. The 2D representation of the equipment can be dragged and dropped on the layout of the data center floor to complete the solution design. For the guided row configuration, this will present the predetermined optimized positioning of rack and cooling. By clicking the Reports option, users can see a complete bill of material as well as the total ERP price of the solution. From this screen, users can also check out to return to the design portal. Once back in the design portal, Mary recommends that the solution should be submitted for approval. After Mary's explanation of the Row Data Center Designer tool, the fellow associates are confident in using the tool to create a new solution. Further, Mary recommends the associates to go through the additional reference materials to gain more knowledge about the tool. After this, Mary proceeds to explain the values proposed by EcoStruxure Row Data Center Solutions to Paul. Let's find out about it in the next module, Leveraging EcoStruxure Row Data Center Values. We encourage you to continue this learning journey.